Welcome to all in e-learning. In last lecture, we had learned the concept of human resource management, meaning functions of human resource management. Today, we are going to learn the concept of nature of human resource management. In that, we today learn the three aspects is that complex dynamism or social system challenging tasks. Before that, we take a introductory part of nature of human resource management. People in any organization reveals themselves not only through individual section but also through group interactions. When individuals come to their work pl- workplace, they come with not only technical skill, knowledge, etc., but also with their personal feelings, perceptions, desires, motives, attitude, value, etc. Therefore, employee management in an organization does mean management of not only technical skills but also other factors of the human resource. Through that, we reveal students when people, you or me, going to workouts in or complete the workouts in organization, we have a technical knowledge, skill. At the simultaneously, we have our own feelings, perceptions, desires, and all that aspects taken care by the human resource management. Next, we see the complex dynamism. It names reveals complex means a different aspects involved into that. Dynamism means what? They have a different views. In that, a close observation of employee reveals that they are complex beings, economic, psychological, socio-psychological, ethical, physiological, the uh, pro- the proportions uh, of these dimensions of the human factor in employment may differ from one situation to another, but the fact remains that these are the basic things of the human factor in organization. Undoubtedly, the physical and mental attributes of human resource are highly relevant to organizational performance and productivity. Complex in a complex dynamism, we have different economic background, physiological differences, psychological means what? Mental. Your mental condition is different, my mental condition is different. Sociological, you are from coming different group, I am coming from different group. And ethical, my ethics is different, your ethics is different. According to your individual, we are giving to or facing in employment may differ from one situation to another. But what the common thing is that each and every person have these all aspects, and these aspects are considered into the human resource management, and it is too much complex. At the same moment, the physical and mental attribution of human resource are reveals to organization performance and productivity. It is the main task of human resource management. Next, we see the social system. This title reveals the social system means what? Human resource is relatively new and developed part of management. In this simple term, personnel management is a task of dealing with human relationships, molding and developing the human behavior and attitude toward the job and organizational requirements. The HR management involves himself in administrating a social system. In this process, the manager has to see that economic satisfaction of working together as member of group and individual, job satisfaction of a worker and attain. In simple sense, when we are going to in any group or any organization, we want to be matched with that organization. For that, we require a social system. We have to understand which knowledge we want to be. For that, what the HR manager is doing, molding and developing that human behavior toward the job and organizational requirements, and this part done by the human resource management, so it is a social system. Now let's we see the third aspect is challenging task. The HR manager plays a crucial role in understanding the challenging needs of the organization and society. Further, he faces some challenging tasks in the attending the employee organization and societal objectives with the available resources. In addition to it, the technological developments, increasing educational standards, etc., further complicate the role of personnel manager. Hence, the modern HR manager should equip himself with a good knowledge of discipline, wise economy, commerce, management, sociology, technology, psychology, engineering, and law. In that challenging task, the HR management require a number of skills and qualities to understand the different kind of people. So it is too much challenging task. Not only different aspect, the technical aspect, the skill, according to the demand of organization, the HR manager wants to meet the use of human resource into that organization, and it is not so simple, it is too much challenging task, but through the social system complex dynamism, he is cover all the challenging tasks. So human resource management in a different aspect is complex, social and challenging task. Thank you. Today we are going to learn the concept is nature of human resource management. In next lecture we will complete our next part. Thank you.